Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. I know we're a little late, but Dad just left. Had a great birthday afternoon with him. We went out to Dairy Queen, had a blizzard, had a banana split, and I don't know, man. Good birthday, I'll just say that. We got Kombu. Boom, baby. F. First in the chat. Dark Bro, a quick second. Kombu, Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro. Nice, man. We got Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro. Tim, how you doing, man? Ray De Silva. Clay, just want to say thank you. Huge thank you. Received my shirt, and I now feel like an official bro. Ray, let me tell you, man, you've been an official bro for a very long time. And I'm glad the shirt solidifies it for you. Hopefully everybody that want a shirt got a shirt. Tim, hopefully your mailman's doing some work out there because you should have gotten a shirt already, man. You should have gotten a shirt. So we'll see for your daughter it was, right? I can't believe I was the first to like. Guys, click that like button. I don't know what you're doing out there. J-Bones reporting for duty. We got J-Bones, Akeep, Kombu, Matt, J-Bones, Akeep, J-Bones, Tim, Tiskus, Claybro's clock ain't working. Oh, it is working, man. I was hanging out with Dad, having some ice cream and came back inside. J-Bones, hold on, one burrito winner. I like it. Kombucha, more like good evening, a late guy. J-Bones, blame it on Dad, man. And I guess you got a late birthday pass, so it is what it is, I guess. Happy birthday, Dad, bro. He's probably not listening right now. I don't know. He's driving home. So, we'll see. We'll see if he shows up in the live stream at some point or not. I know for a fact he won't be messaging in here. So, maybe if he's in here listening on his way home. Yeah, so once again, happy birthday. I'm glad you... Technically, listen, here's the thing. He took me out to Dairy Queen on his birthday, so now I know it's a birthday that keeps on giving to others. My birthday, we do giveaways. His birthday, he takes me to Dairy Queen, so it worked out, man. What flavor ice cream? I got the cotton candy blizzard from Dairy Queen, and he had a banana split. So cotton candy blizzard, actually very good, very good. I don't have like a go-to blizzard when I go to Dairy Queen. I'll just try all kinds of stuff. You know, I think that my least favorite, honestly, they've got a puppy chow, peanut butter puppy chow or something right now, and I've tried that one. That one might be my least favorite. I don't know what it is about the little puppy chow pieces or whatever they put in it, but it's almost like the ice cream makes them soggy. It's not good. So, like, you get, chocolate chips are fine. Nothing happens to those. The gummies, I guess putting little gummies in, like, your dirt. You ice cream, you got chocolate ice cream, you put little gummy worms in it. That's got a weird thing to it, but I like the taste of gummies. So, that still works. But the Puppy Chow Blizzard at Dairy Queen, I don't know if that's going to be making a comeback or not because all the pieces get, like, soggy, and they're not good. Clear's dad is the ultimate bro. The original Dark Bro. He is, man. How's duty do? What's going on, Peter? Wow, Cotton Candy Blizzard. I can hear the extra pep in your voice. Kombu! It was a very good blizzard as well, man. Cotton Candy is definitely a good one. I like their... I don't know what they call it. Cherry. It's cherry ice cream, and then they've got, like, chocolate chips in it. That's a good one, but I'm trying all their summer flavors that they got right now. The Cotton Candy's good. The peanut butter puppy chow is a no-go for me. I've had the Reese's Take 5 before. I don't think they have that anymore. That was a good one. Obviously, cookie dough, that's a classic. That's a good one. The New York cheesecake's a good one. They got a lot of good ones to it. I don't like that puppy chow one. Let's see. You have to love ads. Now I have to play some game where I have to break out of jail because of the ad. Kenneth, I think that's good. Afternoon. Happy B-Day. Thank you very much, Nick F. Yes. Dad's B-Day today, man. Cotton candy. Cotton candy Fago. What do we got here? Is that a thing? I don't even know what that is. Like, thoughts on Blaze. No longer burning Shib. Oh, I got a lot of thoughts on it, Peter. Yeah, we could go over that. I've never been to Dairy Queen. Kombu, you need to go, man. Do you not have one near you or what? I mean, it's not, like, phenomenal, but their blizzards are good. I'm not a huge ice cream guy, right? I can't eat a lot of ice cream if I'm going to eat ice cream, and, I do get a small blizzard if I'm going to get one, or if I get a bigger one, I'll split it up into two different sections. I don't like eating a lot of dairy like that, but their blizzards are pretty good, man. Their blizzards are pretty good. I'd try one. Long-term retirement portfolio closed up 0.66% today. Ford paid me $16.36 in a dividend for the quarter, reinvested for 1.3 more shares. Very nice, Frank. Tomorrow, ex-dividend for SPHY, 14 cents on almost 24 shares monthly. Stacking, baby. I love that. Generating income, Frank. That is one of the best ways to do it. An Oreo ice cream? Yes, please. Peter likes that Oreo. They have an Oreo, I think they're calling it a Brookie. It's like a brownie cookie Oreo Blizzard. It's also on their summer list. I don't know. I might try that one because that does look good. But that cotton candy is good for sure. No Dairy Queen for almost 100 miles. Kombu, you got to go when you go on vacation then, just to say you've gone to one. Turtle Tracks Blizzard at Dairy. Yeah, they're turtle. I like their turtle, like if you're doing a birthday cake, their Dairy Queen Blizzard birthday cakes, the turtle is good, man. I like that one. Sugar, J-Bones like the sugar. Gorilla, look at Gorilla with a gray name down there. I don't believe it. What's going on, Gorilla? Good afternoon to you. Yes, Peter, let's talk about Blaze no longer burning Shiba Inu coin for a second. Blaze has decided that they are stepping away from burning Shib, which put them on the map in the first place. I think it's a bad idea, but I don't run Blaze token. So they're lowering the buy tax to 0%, and the sell tax is now going to be 6%. I believe it's a 2% developer fee, and they might be burning, I think it was 4% of Blaze token now. So they're pretending the focus is going to be on burning Blaze and getting that supply down to 0. Great. Here's the thing. Shiba Inu coin made Blaze popular. It was like their marketing, right? People made videos about Blaze when Blaze was burning shit. They're no longer going to be doing that. Here's the thing that I foresee them doing. I don't know how long they're going to not burn Shiba Inu coin, but I don't see this coin making a go of it by itself. So I think that they are going to go from crypto community to crypto community. And, you know, because Levi has a strong connection in the Terra Luna Classic community, I think that they might burn Terra Luna Classic next. Burning Terra Luna Classic is going to get people talking about them. People are going to do videos. People are going to write articles. Maybe they go a month in Terra Luna Classic, get a bunch of Terra Luna Classic investors, and then drop that. Next, they might be going to Pepe. They might be going to Ethereum. You know, who the heck knows what they're going to go to next, but I absolutely believe that they could be moving from coin to coin to coin, getting as many people from each community as possible. Here's the thing that you have to remember. Blaze burned roughly $100,000, a little over $100,000 in Shiba Inu coin over the course of May. Because their burn tax was the same as their developer's tax, they banked $100,000 in the month of May. I gotta sneeze. Oh, yeah, don't let the allergies kick in just yet. Let the allergies kick in at 5 o'clock when the live stream's over. So I think that they are going to be going from community to community. They've made $100,000 off the Shiba Inu coin hype. You know, they might go to Terra Luna Classic and make another $100,000. It might be 4 months down the road and they decide to jump back in on Shiba Inu coin. People have a very short attention span and a very short memory in the cryptocurrency space and in the world. But 4 months from now, they might jump back in Shiba Inu coin and everybody's excited again. They will rinse, wash, and repeat, or wash, rinse, and repeat, whatever it is, over and over and over, recycling the communities and potentially making $100,000 a month here on out. If not, I think that because they're not burning Shiba Inu coin anymore, people are going to stop talking about them, and their volume will die out, and they will be done, just like every other token that comes and builds themselves up around burning another token. Well, the sad thing is, dude, they should keep it going as long as possible because $100,000 is a lot of money, and they brought in $100,000 in the last month, not in the last year. $100,000 in the last month. You're right, Jones. Too much azúcar, sugar. There is a lot, man, but anything in moderation is okay. If you're not eating a Blizzard a day, it is still going to be okay. The Dairy Queen Royal Strawberry Cheesecake Blizzard. Yes, Frank, that is also a good one, man. I know, I'm still poor. Don't start work until the 5th. I'm messing with you. Gorilla, man, I'm messing with you. You'll probably end up getting a free one if anybody gives one out. So you're essentially saying Levi is a con man. No, Peter, listen, I wouldn't come out and say that against anybody unless I truly believed they are a con man. Here's the thing. I don't think he's conning anybody, all right? I don't think he's necessarily lying to anybody. I think it's more of a, let's say, marketing tactic, okay? Not necessarily selling something of value to people, but selling something to people who are willing to buy it. And I've got to give credit where credit is due. I can't say that he conned the Shiba Inu coin community, man, because he did burn $100,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. He did exactly what he said he was going to do, and burning that, I think it's just, well, he's found his users in Shib. He's going to move on and find his users somewhere else, and he's going to move on and find his users somewhere else. So if he was lying, okay. Con man, yes. But I think, and this is in the true definition of the word, and not some sort of a derogatory term, more of a grifter. You go from place to place and make what you can and move on. Not necessarily building something up for Shib, but certainly trying to build something up for Blaze. I don't think that that's bad, okay? I don't think that that's bad. I just think that that's a little less focused, I guess, than I would be on that. But that's kind of the way that I see it, man. Using the communities as the consumers as opposed to the investors. Why are we still creating coins with trillions in supply just to talk about burning within months? Why not just create a low supply and create some darn utility to create value? Kombu, because here's my best guess on that. Because one, it's easy. People want to buy into something when they can own millions, billions, trillions of the coin. And that's what Shiba Inu coin taught us. Shiba Inu coin with a $0, like a 100 valuation, people could buy millions of them. Billions of them, trillions of them when they first came out, and you feel like you've got something. Even though you still only have $100 worth, you're sitting on a trillion of them, man. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of coins. So it's got that effect where you seem like you have something, and it's also got the built-in marketing, man. People just, I don't know, they're fascinated with burns, dude. Tim, hey! Tim says, Gorilla, I got you. Boom, baby. Tim throwing that green name out, and Gorilla getting it. I love it. Tim, Gorilla, Tim, man, thank you very much. And Gorilla, glad to see you. Green, baby. JB, Tim did call it, man. Yes, Tim on that one. Yes, man. Thank you, bro. You did not have to do that. You're a gentleman and a scholar. Levi's clickbait. I don't know, man. I haven't watched his videos in a long time. Some dudes do go a little bit more heavily into the click on me category, but hey, man, it gets you views. So that's what they're out there for, and it works for them. Gorilla, I'm a hillbilly and a farmer. You're a bro, baby. Gentleman and a scholar, maybe. Hillbilly and a farmer, definitely. So Lunk predictions are correct at 1042, but they forgot to add the 0. So it's really 0001042 up to 0001 1150. There is the real price. Yeah, Kenneth, that actually fits pretty well in their matrix, or whatever you want to call it, where that would be a little bit lower than their predictions for the end of 2024. So yeah, could very well be. I don't know why they missed that decimal place in literally every single one of their 2023 predictions, but those numbers make perfect sense. And that's still not bad, guys. That's still not bad. I don't know if Terra Luna Classic is going to gain 25 to 50% in value and go back up to 1,200 points per coin by the end of the year or not. But what I do know is a 50% gain from where we're at right now is a strong gain. 50% in 6 months is a very strong gain. Tripling your money in a 1.5 year period is an excellent gain. We've been so spoiled by the fact that, 2021 made millionaires in a week, that Pepe went from $0 to $1 billion in 19 days, that people think that every play is a lottery ticket play, and every play we're going to make $1 million on. But if you're making 50% a year, or tripling your money every year like that, you are going to see some phenomenal growth. Click at that likey, only 9 likeys. Come on, let's go. Listen to Danelle, guys. Click that like button. We'll play Tim. And congrats to Gorilla. I like it. About a lot of Pepe Kombu and got out fast and cheap. There you go. Kenneth made it on Pepe. I love it, man. Michael Allen. Michael says, Fed, Blaze, Shib, Rodents, Fud, Rugs, Fist, boom. Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, baby. Michael Allen, the most consistent player in the game. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving that one right there. And we've got Frank coming into streaming Diablo 4 this weekend at night on Twitch. Guys, if you want to watch Diablo 4. Now, is Diablo 4 like the Warcraft game and StarCraft? Is that the Diablo game we're talking about there? I never played Diablo, and I don't know if that's the same one, but Warcraft 3, Reign of Chaos, man. Me and Nick F could take you on that one. I'd be willing to bet anybody in here wants to take 2-on-2, me and Nick F versus you guys on Reign of Chaos. We'll take you. Or we go 3-on-3. I get my brother in there. We'll definitely go 3-on-3. We can go 3-on-3 on that one all day, man. Me, my brother, and Nick F versus any 3 in here. I will play that all weekend with you guys if you want to. Same company from Blizzard? Yes, gotcha. Michael, Frank. I've never played Diablo, but Reign of Chaos. Reign of Chaos and some Frozen Throne, but Reign of Chaos is where it's at. I don't think anybody even plays that anymore. You basically have to set up your own 3-on-3 match. If you were playing Warcraft 3 with anybody on there. And where we at here? Same company from Blizzard. Very good, guys. I don't even know if we did a market review at the end of the day here, but AMC closed at $4.55 today. Shiba Inu coin still sitting dead sideways with no volume, 850 points per coin. GameStop closing the day at $24.10. I mean, not bad. It was a 0.21% gain on the day, but basically a break even. Bitcoin showing some volatility, falling off pretty heavily earlier, going from 26.9 down to 26.6. Bouncing up, sitting at 26.8 at the moment, down 1.37% on the day. The NASDAQ pulling back towards the end of the day, but having a nice little bounce into the close there. 13,100 points, up 1.3% on the day today. Dogecoin still dead at 7.1 cents. Ethereum 1869. Shiba 850. Bitcoin 26,853. Mullen Auto having a nice bounce today from 68 cents, my gosh, to 79 cents. That there is a rally, my friends. That there is a very strong rally. 68 cents to 79 cents, an 11-cent gain. What is that, about 20%, man? A 20% rally in Mullen Auto today, closing the day at 74 cents. Sundial sitting at $1.45, up 2% of the day. CEI, $1.05. Sitting at $1.06 or $1.07 after hours. The SPY 421, BBIG 222, Highcroft Mining 34 cents, Netflix stand above $400 per share today. The QQQ we got 352, Ape sitting at 352 is not bad, man. 353 testing those recent highs, right? Yes. 353.93 was the recent high that we touched 2 trading days ago. And today we were touching a high of 353.36. So basically trying to reclaim that recent high level. A very nice day for the QQQ, a very nice day for the NASDAQ. Ape sitting at $1.58 right now. It has been very slow over the last couple of weeks. We've got MPW closing the day at $8.17 there. It was down 1% on the day, 1% on the day, but still not bad. Let's see. I've never played Warcraft, but challenge accepted. JB, man. Listen, I don't even know if you can still buy Warcraft 3 Reign of Chaos. I know that, I tried to play that game it's been a couple years, and nobody plays it anymore. So you would basically have to set up your own game. Like, you wouldn't be able to go in and just randomly search a game and expect to see anybody playing, especially if you're looking for a 3-on-3 or something like that. But no, that would be pretty fun, man. I'd like to get the old gang back together, man. My brother and Nick F and play some Warcraft 3, dude. Used to play the original Warcraft. You know, I never played the original. I think Nick F may have played the original, but I got in on Warcraft 3. I was going to dollar cost my Shib, but it needs to come down more. My buy is 4 zeros and a 6. After I cashed out Shib on the first run up from getting in that second day it was out. Oh my gosh. Kenneth, dude. Now, Kenneth, did you hold? If you got in the second day that Shib was out, did you hold through January when it basically became worthless? And then you sold on its run-up. If that's the case, man, you made a lot of... Yeah, you did very well. I've played all the Blizzard games besides Overwatch. I've never played Overwatch either. I've only actually played Warcraft. All my cover calls are still looking great for June 9th. Very good. Frank, guys, if you guys are sitting, and I'm telling you right now, if anybody in here has at least 100 shares, I don't care if you're sitting on 1,000 or what, but if you've got 100 shares of any stock, let's take a look at it. Let's see the money that you could be trying to generate, maybe on a weekly or monthly basis, just by selling covered calls. We can walk through that and see what kind of money you're leaving on the table. Because even if you believe it's a long-term hold, you should still generate some income and sell some covered calls on it to make some money in the meantime. Meantime, Clay wrote, meantime. Where Farmy? Where Prague? Wouldn't you guys like to know? I see you out there, Michael. Hold on 2 seconds, man. Farmy sitting at 45 cents today, down 1.19%. Surprise on that one, guys. Surprise on that one. Down on the day. Biora Therapeutics, not too bad, man. Sitting at $4.42. Look at this beautiful rally from $2 up to $5 per share, man. Prague is soaring. Well, soaring if you didn't get in back here. It's probably, I don't know, when I got in, who knows what it would have been, $55 a share? I don't even know. I might have got in here at $55 a share. It probably wasn't even that. It was probably here. I got in here, probably $75 a share. Rode it up to $150 a share. Back down to who knows where. Closed out. Now it's sitting at $4 a share. So yes, depending on when you got into Prague, if you got in last month, you were doing very well. If you got in last year, you were not doing very well. Let's just put it that way. Pudgino here. You owe me a nanner. Tim, I do owe you a banana. Michael Allen. Binance delisting Lunk futures with BUSD thoughts. Let's see. I actually did not see that they're delisting Lunk futures with the Binance USD out there. So I don't know if it's because of volume, if it is because of their dislike for Terra Luna Classic, or what the deal is. I think that Binance is still a very strong supporter of Terra Luna Classic, but futures are hard, man. Futures, they're almost like a financial derivative in the crypto space. It's not like people are actually buying and selling Terra Luna Classic. If you're shorting a future, it's not like you're actually shorting Terra Luna Classic. You're simply shorting the price action. And you're buying on exchange or selling on exchange only. So I'm not terribly concerned if they do or don't have futures that you can long or short. But I did not see that they're delisting the futures yet. So I don't know what the reasoning behind that would be. The reasoning would be, I guess, a little bit more important than simply, the fact that they're doing it. So I wish I knew the answer, but I do not. Steam has all the old games. Oh, I gotta look up Steam. I don't even know what Steam is. Kristen says, hey, just getting in here. Have you guys talked about Binance delisting futures for Lunk? Will this close out all shorts and give us a volume pump? Michael, it literally just brought that up, Kristen. So I'm sorry I saw Michael's before I saw yours, but he did send in a super chat. So I am highly skeptical, okay, that Binance actually goes out and shorts Terra Luna Classic or any other coin when they are selling their futures. If they're doing so, then yes, there's a very good chance. But what I think they're actually selling you when you're looking at futures contracts, KuCoin, Binance, and so on, I think that they're just selling you a derivative and that they're not actually shorting or longing the underlying security and creating, essentially naked shorts or actual increases in value. Because if you're going out there in 100x leveraging, if people were to do that, you could all of a sudden have people owning $3 trillion, $4 trillion, $5 trillion worth of Bitcoin. And I don't know how well they manage that and exactly what their balance sheet looks like. If it's just a derivative, if they're actually going in and buying and shorting the underlying, not security, because that's the stock market, the underlying asset. So if that's the case, then yes, there could be a pump in volume if those short positions are legitimately shorted. Shib is what bought my land and built my home in the Carolinas, allowing me to start another company here after leaving Indiana, hoping that one day it jumps again so I can buy a Black Hawk helicopter. Oh my God, dude. Yes, Kenneth, I absolutely hope that you can buy a Black Hawk helicopter, man. I don't know why you would want a Black Hawk helicopter, but I do hope that one day you can grab yourself that helicopter, man. Any good news? Aiden, I don't know if we have any good news today, man. The overall market did very well. Cryptocurrency does seem to be down today, but the stock market bouncing nicely. The NASDAQ was up 1.3% on the day today. The SPY was up, was it 0.9? Yeah, 0.9% on 0.95% on the day today. So the overall stock market, the overall stock market performing very well today, and that is always a positive sign and always good news. Let's see, I held up to the run up. I had dropped 2,500 on it back then. Oh my gosh, dude, dropping 2,500. Kenneth, if you drop 2,500, because I remember, and I don't remember going through and looking at these numbers myself. What would it have dropped down to at your lowest? Was it basically worthless? Because I swear I watched a video before that said, and I never went in and checked the all-time lows and checked the numbers out for myself. But if you would have bought $1,000 worth when it first came out, the very first day, and you would have wrote it down to the all-time low, I swear that 1,000 would have turned into $2 based on that video I watched. So what did you drop down to during the all-time low or around the all-time low if you weren't checking it every day? What did that look like, man? Were you basically at a 100% loss on your Shib, and then somehow, by miracles happening, people began to buy Shiba Inu coin? When begin, bro? What's going on, Valencia? How you doing? Hello from Belgium. Hello from Ohio. Hopefully you're having a great day so far. Hopefully it's some technical issues. Kristen. Me or somebody else? Crypto Rocketeer, what's going on? Boom, baby. Crypto Rocketeer. Hopefully you're having a great evening as well. Frank, can you really fly Blackhawk? I would never know how to do anything like that. The question isn't why you want one. It is why you wouldn't want one. Oh, man, I don't know. What are you going to do with a Blackhawk helicopter? Calling Dork Hunter on the Blackhawk. There you go. Man, you guys are out. We got a bro army going ready to go right now. Jones was the last to use the bro helicopter. Did you leave it in the Himalayas again? Jones, man. Come on, Jones. Where are you at there, Jones? That's J Bones minus the B. Kenneth, I'm in Indiana too. There you go. I think Kenneth is in North Carolina right now. Kenneth was in Indiana. Chris is in Indiana. And is Kalani still in Indiana? I don't know if Kalani's still in Indiana or not. Hey, bro, what would be your Bitcoin low? Could it reach that double bottom, like on screen or lower? Oh, yeah. So PS5, man, I definitely think on the screen right now, the low is only 26,000. So, yes, you could easily reach 26,000, what is it, 600 again? So, what is my all-time, what is my low that Bitcoin could reach? Are you talking about like on a monthly or yearly chart or whatever? Because I think it's going to be heavily dependent on the SEC and regulation. Look, dude, I am convinced, okay, that if this regulation plays out terrible for crypto in the United States, I truly believe that there's a possibility that the United States does ban cryptocurrency. I truly believe that's a possibility. I don't think that it's necessarily likely. Okay, they're going to be giving up a lot of tax money and they're going to be giving up a lot of revenue. But if they can't control it, if they can't regulate it, I think that they are going to try and ban it. If that's the case, dude, I really do believe new lows are going to be hit. I really think we could drop below that 15,000 mark. If we don't have United States money flowing into crypto, it's going to be very difficult to maintain $20,000, $30,000 levels, let alone $15,000 levels. I think we drop right below those. Now, if regulatory concerns are just as they are, concerns. If people are worried about the SEC for a while, and we come out with some laws, and they've got crypto taxes, and they've got new laws for exchanges, and you just have to KYC, and no more DeFi. You just have to let everybody know. You got to tell the good old government who you are and what crypto you own and stuff like that. I do think that we continue, maybe not on the same exact trend line that we've been on. I do think that we can come back down and retest this 20,000 level. But if it's just regulatory concerns, I still think we maintain an overall uptrend. This bear market that we're in could turn into an accumulation market, and the bottom may have been in that case. And we might come back down to this $22,000 to $21,000 level of support before making another attempt to the upside. So it all depends on regulation, man. It all depends on whether or not the U.S. is able to regulate the market or whether or not they try to ban the market. I return to next Thursday at Kip. There you go. J-Bones, I like it, man. Can Shiba Inu reach 0.008? Yes. Maglure Mickey, if we burn 95 to 99% of the supply, Shiba Inu coin can reach 1 cent. So it's going to take some massive burns, dude. If we don't burn, we're not going to get to a $5-6 trillion valuation on Shiba Inu coin, which is not feasible unless, of course, the United States goes through hyperinflation. If we go through hyperinflation, sure, anything's possible because the dollar is going to be worthless. But as far as Shiba Inu coin's price is concerned, if the United States stays intact as a nation, we're going to need to burn 95 to 99% of the supply for Shib to ever reach that value right there. Okay, the fidgety thing is exactly the same sound as when I was flipping the selector switch on my M4. I got to make it a little bit quieter. I'll just go slower. It'll be good. Clay, what's Ohio like? I know Roman Atwood lives there, and he seems to be living life. Let me tell you what Ohio's like, dude. It just all depends on where you're at, okay? Today, it's 90 degrees outside right now, sunny, not a cloud in the sky, absolutely beautiful, okay? It does depend on where you live. We do have all 4 seasons. We can have all 4 seasons in a single day. You could be going in summertime and it's 60 degrees outside. You could have a 60-degree day in December, in January. The weather, you'll never get used to it because it's always changing. You're going to have a lot of days. We don't have any rain in sight. We haven't had any rain for the last week. We might have July come around and it rains every day. The weather is unpredictable and you're not going to be able to get used to that. You can't just say it's always beautiful outside. That's not the case. Now, depending on where you go, I really love the street, the neighborhood, the area that I live in. It's nice, man. You drive up the road, your neighbors wave to you. They understand what's, you just got that friendly wave. You know what I'm saying. You might see it in the movies if you guys aren't used to it, but you've got that friendly wave going on to the neighbors out there. And, we might not have huge nightclubs, or we might not have huge places to go party, but who the heck cares about that, man? Not me. I would rather have friendly neighbors and a beautiful lake to go hang out at or a park to walk in than a crazy nightclub any day. Yes, but Roman Atwood. I think Roman Atwood actually lives down in where does Roman live? Was it Cincinnati or did he live in Columbus? I actually watched a lot of his videos a long time ago. I think I've seen like all of his old prank videos, and I haven't watched him in a long time, but he had that Smile More brand, right? I forget if he lived in Columbus or if he lived in Cincinnati or where he lived. Where does Roman live? Clibro, Shiba can't get into the 700s for a buy-in. Can that happen? Because looks like there are whales there buying it up. Let me tell you this. It can happen, PS5, but you've got a major, major level of support at 800. So you are correct that it's difficult for Shiba Inu coin to drop down into the 700s. See this red line right here? This red line is basically at 800 points per coin. It does not want to drop down below this line. Why? Because this is the major support from here back at the end of 2022. It's the major support from here back in the middle of 2022. Major support back in, well, the middle of 2022 again. And it was major support back here after Shiba Inu coin had ran up to 3,500, and then of course before it ran up to 8,800 points. So this red line is a very important red line, and a very strong level of support. So I think everybody's buying it up, not just whales at this red line. If it breaks this red line though, I mean, I would be concerned that it goes back down to 500 points per coin as opposed to just 700 points per coin. So that's what I'd be watching out for. If it does break, man, you might get a pretty steep sell-off to a much lower level as opposed to just the 700 point per coin range. Let's see. It was near 18. It was near negative 18 degrees and lost it all. And then it flying up to the highs. Okay, cashed out 3.2 million and lost my mind and was scared at the same time. Could not believe it was real. Hired an attorney from the freak out. Oh my gosh! I was in crypto for 2.5 years before that happened, and at the same time, I had Doge Fun. I had Doge Fun up on me as well, run up on me as well. Had bought Doge at 3 cents and watched it run up to 73 cents. And when it fell, I got out at about 63 cents on Doge. Very nice, Kenneth. My gosh. Taking part in both the Dogecoin and the Shiba Inu coin run. It was near negative 18 when it lost it all. And then flying up to the highs. Cash, that is crazy, man. Taking $2,500, basically 1,000xing your money, and hitting $3.2 million, man. Kenneth, that is beyond incredible, man. Oh my goodness. I don't know how you held that long. I mean, Kenneth, what in you made you hold that long? Think about that. Literally, answer that question for us, because you know, if I watch $2,500 turn into $25,000, I'm going to be tempted to take it. Especially if I watched it fall down to nothing beforehand. If you bought $2,500 worth and it runs up to $1 million, why are we not taking it? Were you not watching it every day, or what's the mentality on that? Because that's beyond incredible, man. That's almost inexplicable that you could run it up like that. What's Ohio like? Memes, Clay Bros, exploding trains, chemical attacks. No, Dark Bro. That is not Ohio, man. That's just some sort of a fluke. A few hours in Blackhawks, but I got a bunch of time riding Observer in OH58D, whatever the heck that is. QS Fort Polk in training. Chief would let me take this stick. Was working on my packet for warrant officer school. Well, dang it, Frank, I don't know what a lot of that, I don't really know what any of that means, but that sounds extremely impressive, Frank. It really does, man. Ohio, if you don't like the weather, stick around. It'll change. Cost of living is low, fresh food, stay out of the big cities, and you'll be fine. Tim, man, I couldn't agree more with all of that right there. Yes, stay out of the big city. You know what? I mean, you can go into the big cities, but I don't know. I'm not a big city guy myself anywhere. Roman's son Kane is adorable. Dude, that kid's gotta be... How old is that kid now? I remember I watched one video. He throws the... he doesn't throw the kid, but he throws the kid over the balcony and his wife's freaking out. But it was just a doll that he dressed up in that Spider-Man costume. That kid's gotta be old now, man. My goodness. I feel like that video was a long time ago and that kid was already like 4 years old. Sounds like North Carolina, when the cost of living is going up because we are turning into Silicon in the Silicon of the East in the Raleigh area. Yeah, Gorilla Invictus, man. I think that real estate has gone up a lot here in Ohio. Here in Ohio over the last couple of years. Oh, that magnet's really cool on this computer base. I'm glad I found that out. Yeah, cost of living has gone up a little bit here if you're trying to buy a house or whatever, but it's still, man, you know, for $1 million in California, you could probably get that same house here for 80 grand. So, yeah, if you're looking for cost of living, if you're looking for a nice place to live, a safe place to live, and you don't want to drop $1 million on a house, come to Ohio. You could probably get the exact same house for $1 million in California that you can get for 90 grand here. Claybro, can you compare or have any insight of Pepe versus Ben versus RFD versus Shib on a meme coin status for the long term? PS5. So the best I can do, man, is kind of look at Pepe. I'm not terribly familiar with Ben and RFD refund token, I believe it is. I've looked at them. I know their graphs a little bit, but I looked at a lot of Pepe stuff and I've looked at a lot of Shiba Inu coin stuff. So yes, I can look at those two. With Pepe, man, where are we at here? I already got Pepe up. So if you're looking at Pepe, Pepe basically did a little bit different than Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin came out, and like Kenneth said, after it was first released, it basically went to worthless, and then it started its run. So let's pick up Shiba Inu coin from the worthless territory. And let's look at Pepe when it first started being worthless. Pepe runs up massively in just a couple of days. In 19 days, going from $0 worth to a $1+ billion worth. Shiba Inu coin, very, very similar action, but starting in January, February, when it was worthless. By May, Shiba Inu coin is running up similar to that run in Pepe that you see. Now, Shiba clearly has a lot more holders than Pepe does, but Shiba Inu coin has been on the scene for a lot longer than Pepe has been. So if you're looking at this area in here, okay, Shib ran up very quickly from a worthless market cap to, I don't know what the market cap would have been up here, man, a couple $1 billion, $10 billion, $20 billion for sure. So it ran up very quickly in 2021. And since, look at this graph now, guys, pulls back sharply and sits sideways for months. If you're looking at Pepe, okay, Pepe's got that initial run-up. Pulls back and could sit sideways for several months. I don't know if this is a meme coin cycle. I don't know if it's going to do the same thing that Shiba Inu coin did or not. But after Shiba Inu coin sat sideways for months, it starts to rally again. And when it broke the previous resistance, it ripped in a matter of days to a new all-time high before falling off quickly and sitting sideways for now years. If Pepe decides to sit sideways again, and if it breaks this 30 to 40, 100, or 300 to 400 point per coin mark, it could absolutely rip even higher. So it's very difficult to tell because every single coin is different and definitely different market environments. 2021 was a strong bull market. Currently 2023 is a negative bear market. What can happen to Doge and Shiba in 10 years if cryptocurrency still exists? Oh, McLaurin Mickey, anything is possible, man. You know, in the next 10 years, I would not doubt that you see a 10 trillion plus dollar valuation in the cryptocurrency market. So let's just say that everything, if, you know, we got a $1 trillion market right now. If everything 10x's, you're sitting on a 10x game, okay? And that's not to say that Shiba Inu coin doesn't emerge a leader or some new coin emerges a leader and so on. It's taking all the prices and in 10xing them from where they're at. Bitcoin will go back down to 20,000. I feel like it's meme season right now. Very possible, man. Very possible. Yes, that was Kane, maybe 7 years old. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it is possible. I have no idea how old that kid was, but I always feel like bittersweet about prank videos. I'm not some guy that likes to prank people. I would always feel bad about doing that, but those videos were fun to watch, man. 2023, the best year ever. Lisbon is right on that. Dropping by. Ted, man, glad to have you. Didn't have a choice. 2,500 went down to, what is that? About 18%. My 2,500 was gone. Then it ran up so fast. Was not paying much attention due to working mad hours back then. I just happened to check it like once a week. Oh my gosh, dude. Kenneth, that is like... That's literally the best story ever, man. That's literally the best story ever. Your coin's worthless, so you kind of give up on it. Check it every now and then, and all of a sudden you've got $2.3 million, and it's not a glitch, dude. It's not a glitch. Green suit, I'm fancy today. Lisbon, yes you are. You must have won that green name from somebody. If I bought $1 million farm in Ohio, I'd own 1/3 of the county. Yes, Tim, you are probably right on that, man. You can get a lot of land for $1 million. Hey, bro, fam, I have a GoFundMe going to help my wife and I handle expenses and be able to take time off with our baby coming within the next 2 months. We are self-employed and in debt after my injury. Any bit would help. Yeah, guys, if you want to check out Kombu's GoFundMe in the Discord, absolutely check it out, man. I bought Pepe because of the frog. Well, you know what? Hopefully that frog jumps on a log and takes your money to the moon, man. To the moon. Shib ran and Shisteroshi started to develop the ecosystem. Tim, you are 100% correct on that, man. 100% correct on that. Shiba Inu coin begins to make a name for itself, and then the ecosystem team begins to act like they are the owners. Absolutely wild, in my opinion. Come to Carolina and get free land. Yeah, Kenneth, that actually doesn't sound like a bad idea, man. They're giving land away if you take care of it. Dark Bro, thanks so much, brother. Heck yeah, Shiba Inu price prediction, please. Naeem, all depends on the crypto regulation here in the United States. I'm not going to be optimistic or pessimistic. I'm going to be realistic. If the United States continues to play the same game that they are and they want to ban cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu coin is going to fall heavily in price. I mean, you could be talking about levels 100, 200, 300 points per coin, losing another 80, 90% from where we're at right now. If things begin to turn around, if the United States, if Ripple wins the lawsuit and the SEC steps back, if China begins to allow cryptocurrency purchases, if the European Union regulations that they've got out there inspire other countries to be a little bit more clear in their regulatory paths, well, crypto could flourish. And we could absolutely see Shiba Inu coin touching all-time highs again during the next bull market. Let's see. What's up, Claybro? Can't stay long. Popped in and smashed the like. Thanks for the content. Death Wish, thank you very much for stopping in. Thank you very much for clicking the like button, man. Claybro, what's your opinion on the DXY dumping, or will they be printing money as Jerome Powell talks soon? I have not looked at the DXY in a while. Let's see this dollar index that we got here and see where it's at. I don't know if it's dumping or not. So let's see what we've got here. 103 doesn't seem like much of a dump to me. So it's actually a pretty decent decline on the day today. I bet the euro rocketed higher. Where are we at here? We got the euro anywhere? That is a steep decline for one day right there. Alright, Euro USD. This is what we're looking for. Oh yeah, Euro USD soaring today as the DXY is falling heavily today. Here's the thing, man. It fell right to this next level of support. Tabbing it back in here, tabbing it right here. Couldn't break above it here, couldn't break above it. My best guess is that you don't see a continuation to the downside only because of this level of support right here. I think it stagnates a little bit, but you know, if you stair step through this one, you've got a little area here at 102, 103, another one right here at 102.50. You've got this one in this 102 area, and then all the way back down at 100 again on the DXY. It might be on its way back down to retest slowly. It might take a couple months, but might be on its way back down to retest 100 points on the DXY. So that's what I watch out for. Ryan! Ryan, I thank you very much. I don't know where you've been, Ryan. You disappeared from my life like my good brother Michael. But you're back. You're back now, and I like it. Ryan, thank you very much. Fredo told you I'd be back. No escape for you, Michael. Michael, I thought you were gone, but now you're back. I love it, Ryan, man. So glad to see you. Sweet, shiny, baby Cheez-Its. Wear gold. Do we have, I don't know if, do we have a exit USD? Oh yeah, we got a price of gold. $1,976 on gold. Gold's been up over the last couple of days here, going from $1,940 up to $1,976 today. Gold currently sitting at $1,976.35 right there. That would be where gold is. Let's see. Thanks for another great time today, Clay. Have a good evening and take care, everybody. You too, Johnston Town, man. Appreciate you. About 161 acres. Oh my gosh, dude. Free land was $300,000. It had a log company come in and log it and use the log money to pay the bank. I kept 20 acres for myself and selling the rest at $25,000 per 1.5 acre lots. Kenneth, that just sounds like a money-making machine, man. My goodness. That sounds incredible, man. About 161 acres for free. Land was $300,000 and had a log company come in and log it and used log money to pay the bank. Then kept 20 acres for myself and selling the rest at $25,000 for 1.5 acre lot. That is not bad at all. And that's actually really good prices for a 1.5 acre lot, 25 grand. It's actually a really good price. Kenneth knows how to do it, man. I love it. Guys, it is 5 o'clock. My portfolio is like a cat trying to bury a turd on a sheet of ice. I lost tons on options. I'm going to tell you right now, Spaniard, I believe it, okay? Leveraged trading opportunities, to me, are extremely dangerous, man. Look, I only think that we should be trading leveraged opportunities if you are scalping trades. That's the only way I see leveraged ever working out. Leveraging your trades are definitely in favor of the house. And if you beat them, great. But if you continue in and you continue in and you continue in, it's going to catch up to you, man. It really will. I've lost some money in options as well, dude. The good news is there's always a tomorrow and another opportunity to make money. And speaking from experience, you will. You will. You've just got to overcome the urge to kind of want to gamble it in your leverage trading again. Guys, let's do these shout-outs, and we will be back tonight with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Appreciate every single one of you guys for keeping the live stream going. Amazing day, and I don't know if Dad's listening right now, but happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad, bro. Happy birthday to you. Guys, get your names out there. We're going to be back with these videos tonight. We're doing shout-outs now. Tim, man, see you later. Johnston Town, enjoy your day. Kenneth, man, awesome job. Awesome job. Always needs celebrated when somebody does something like that. J-Bones, man, enjoy your evening. Frank Spaniard, man, sorry to hear it. I really am, but I do know that things will get better, and you're going to continue on. Gorilla Invictus, Lisbon, man, enjoy your day. We've got Kenneth Peelman. We've got J-Bones, Tim, Danelle, Tim, Dark Bro, see you later. Matt Woodgate, enjoy your evening. We've got Gorilla Invictus, Frank, Gorilla, all of you guys. Peak is out there. I don't know who else is out there. Dark Bro's out there. I might have said Dark Bro, not sure. Ray, later to you as well, man. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.